Welcome back, guys. It's your chef Martin Reyes, and in today's video, not everybody can make meals from scratch. There are broke college students and people on hard times. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a simple and easy meal on how to enhance ramen noodles 3 different ways. And in our first bowl of noodles, we're gonna add beef ramen noodles, 2 boiled eggs, lime juice, smoked paprika. Easy. Next one, beef noodles, 1 boiled egg, and some cooked shrimp. Now the shrimp, you could get it at Walmart or your local grocery store for $5 a bag. You can separate and into smaller portions so your meal will last throughout the month. We're gonna add pink Himalayan salt, garlic powder, and some pepper for this one. And our third one, beef ramen noodles, boiled egg, sausage, monk sausage, and some extra virgin olive oil to help it cook, and some red wine vinegar for flavor. So stay tuned and join us. Hey guys, we're back. I got the stove on medium high. We're gonna boil 4 eggs, 8 minutes tops. And over here, I got our monk sausage frying up real nicely. I put some extra virgin olive oil with some red wine vinegar, and for our side dish over here for our next one, I'm going to put on some shrimp, cook through 2 to 3 minutes, not too long, just to give it a little sear. Dip those in the olive oil, get those nice and wet in there. There we go. So what we're gonna do is wait for the monk sausage to cook, because you guys don't want to eat raw food, and give it a nice good sear on that. And I'll see you guys in a couple minutes with our finished product. So I'll see you then. Alright guys, we're back and this is our finished product. We're gonna add 2 eggs to the first one, to our noodles, and these are beef noodles. We're gonna add a little bit of paprika, smoked paprika. We're gonna add a dash of lemon. There we go. Give it a little bit of flavor, mix it up. Yeah. Look at that, beautiful. Now for our second one, we're gonna do a little bit of pepper. There we go. And we're gonna add our shrimp that's been marinated in garlic. So there we go, right at the top. And for our third one, we're gonna put an egg. Oh, I'm sorry guys, we're gonna put an egg with our second one, an egg with our third one, and we're gonna put a little bit of monk sausage to give it that extra zing. There we go. And there we go. Now, if you guys like what you see, please like and subscribe, and feast your eyes on this.